Want to create scroll-stopping YouTube shorts that explode with views? In this 90-second tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the VN video editor to make killer shorts. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's dive in. First, open VN and tap the plus icon at the bottom to start a new project. Now, select the video clips and photos you want to use for your short. Tap the blue arrow to import them into VN. Try to choose clips that are engaging and visually appealing. This is where the magic happens. The timeline lets you arrange your clips, trim unwanted sections, and add transitions. Drag the edges of each clip to shorten them. Keep your shorts short, sweet, and engaging. To add transitions, tap the white square between two clips. VN offers a bunch of cool transitions like fade, zoom, and slide. Pick one that fits the vibe of your video. Text is crucial for shorts. Tap the T icon to add text. Choose a font that's easy to read. Play with the colors and add a shadow. Place it where it's easily visible. Spice things up with stickers. The sticker icon gives you access to emojis, arrows, and other graphics. Use them to direct attention or add a bit of humor. Time to add some music. Tap the music icon and browse VN's built-in library, or use your own music. Make sure the music matches the mood of your short. Volume is important. Do not make your music louder than your voice. VN is packed with effects to make your short stand out. Tap the FX icon and experiment with different filters, but don't overdo it. Subtlety is key. Alright, almost done. Tap the export icon in the top right corner. Choose your resolution. 1080p is recommended and frame rate. Then tap export. Finally, upload your short to YouTube. Write a catchy title, description, and add relevant hashtags. Hashtag VN video editor, hashtag YouTube shorts. Boom, you've just created an awesome YouTube short with VN. Now go create more and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips.